Well, the only thing that we can be pretty sure about is that some mortars were fired, because both sides are accusing one another of doing it and saying it did happen. The governor of Homs, who was instrumental in negotiating with the UN and others to get this agreement, the ceasefire agreement, and the detailed arrangements for relief supplies and the evacuation of civilians, he has accused what he calls armed terrorists of carrying out the attack, firing mortars at a police station, and he's called on the police to be very restrained in their response. But of course the other side, the rebels and activist groups, are accusing the government side of firing the mortars. The relief officials had warned that this would be the most delicate phase, getting aid into those rebel-held quarters, because it's a very sensitive issue for the government side to see food and medicine and so on going into rebel hands, essentially. So they had seen this as an absolutely crucial phase in this operation, and of course we're not clear at the moment whether this has disrupted just temporarily, in other words, whether it's just a brief hitch in the deliveries, or whether it may have thrown the whole arrangement into jeopardy. We'll obviously have to wait a little to see what the answer to that question is.